Okay, so now we're gonna measure our plot. Let's say we don't have any professional measurement, so I'm gonna measure my plot and also create a layer for focusing only on my plot, because now I can see a lot of other plots also, but I want the design to focus only on my plot. So I'm gonna start creating a line, a boundary line around my plot. I'm gonna start here. I'm gonna take the pencil tool and start, and I'm gonna do it accurately as I can because I want it to show the actual size of my plot. It also can calculate the size of the plot if you don't have it. So I know the physical boundaries of my imaginary plot here, so I'm doing between points. I can tweak it afterwards, so now I'm gonna leave it, the curve, I'm gonna leave it like a straight line. I'm gonna go here, here, also here I'm gonna leave it. And now let's say I know it's something like this. And now I can go out from this tool, mark it, go to the node tool, and then on the line I can click on the mouse on the left button and then take the line to curve it, take the line away from to the actual position. Like I'm gonna point here and then curve it, and then I will leave the button. Okay. So now I have the boundary around my 5 different plots here that I'm working on, that I'm designing. And now I can go to the extensions, landscape, site boundaries. There isn't any parameters here, just the line. And then it uses the scale. So I'm gonna hit apply. It says that my plot is 53,000 meters, square meters. And it also creating a new layer. When I see the layers, I can see that the sign boundaries has 3 objects. One of them is the line, the other is the entire faded rectangle, and on the left corner there is the calculation of the site area, so if you need it, it will be there. And then I can lock it. I can show it or unshow it with the eye tool, and I can change on the rectangle. I can change the opacity if I want. If I'm clicking here on the fill, I can change the opacity. It's locked. So I'm going to come here, can change the opacity, can do it white, and like this is like 16% opacity. And I can also change the color of the layer. I can do it like this or yellow. It depends on you. This concludes the boundary sites calculation.